Hello, this is a screencast of the website indianmatrilaw.com. It is powered by the technology from thatneedle.com, and the screencast shows how easy legal search can be. It is based on nearly 70 years of laws and judgments in the Indian courts, which is roughly a billion words to be processed. So we'll just start typing and let's see how easy legal search can be. So I just typed in the letter A and immediately I can see some results that are classified based on either the party name, judgments, and acts. So the party name, as the name suggests, is the name of the party in the litigation. These are words, the names with A, and these are the topics. So if you look at topics starting with A, you will see abortion and alimony. These are the two topics as they pertain to the matrimony aspects. And under each such topic, you will see a further subclassification whether that litigation was won by the wife or won by the husband. And under each, you will see a collection of judgments pertaining to that category and subcategory. So these judgments would be won by wife as related to abortion. These are won by wife as related to alimony, won by husband related to alimony. So this is pretty helpful when it comes to search by not just lay people but also by legal professionals. And on the right side, you can see the list of acts, codes, and rules, which are the bare acts or the laws as printed out by the legislature. So let me try out another search. I just typed in AL. Here you can see it's for the removed abortion as a subtopic or a topic, and alimony is the only one left. Let's try another one. So if you can see here, you type in die and you will see the closest synonym being death, so it can handle synonyms, and again the same classification. Now if you just type in something like the name of the subsection of the um, of a particular act, in this case it's the Indian Penal Code, you won't see any names here, but you will see the judgments one by wife and one by husband related to this topic. So it can be pretty helpful when you're looking at legal search, and that needle is constantly improving its capabilities to make search easier and more accurate and faster. Thank you for watching the video. You can learn more about that needle at thatneedle.com. Thank you.